would imagine also because you're so engaged and custom that you're learning on a constant basis with every customer. You're taking those learnings into future designs. You're expanding the portfolio. You're truly delivering end to end from my perspective, and you're one of the few companies that can truly do this. But we know that the bar is going to continue to be raised, right? I mean, we're at a point now. I think Sandeep, you mentioned sort of the power consumption's increasing double digits every year, but what's Marvell's future, for applications of custom silicon? Maybe we'll start with you.
Well, there's so much to look forward to,
Yeah.
right? So clearly, at a high level, we'd start with the process node that continues to march on, even though Moore's law is slowing. We see the new advanced nodes they continue to, and they continue to be introduced, and the expense to develop in those nodes keeps going up and up and up. Every single chip costs a lot more than the last one, and so there's only a handful of companies that have the commitment and scale to continue to stay on that leading trend. And then, of course, all the packaging, going from 2D to 2.5D to 3D and eventually 3.5D. That's a big trend. And we are a leader in optics as well.
Hmm.
And we see integration of optics and co-packaged copper, different other connectivity technologies pulling closer and closer in with the silicon itself. So there's
Hmm.
just a lot to look forward to. I mean, I think maybe Sandeep could add even more to this.
Yeah, Sandeep.
Yeah, so I mean, it's fairly important to understand that we are at the beginning of the AI innings, right? If you look at it today, people talk about the machine learning, whatever chatbots that you have, and as you go further, there's going to be, the training parameters are going to the trillions, and then there's incremental training, inferencing. All this requires. You asked about the applications that will form, and then there's newer domains like drug discovery, and that will have uh, bespoke architectures as well.
Hmm.
And things, I mean, people are already working on, automated driving, and that has a certain data center build out, which is different. So the applications are going to really take even things on healthcare is becoming a big piece. Like you have seen
Yeah.
some of the cloud players really deploying architectures on the healthcare industry, genomics, etc. So I believe that we are in the initial innings. When you go to personalized medicine, it's you will get it even in the hands of customizing medications to patients and stuff. And people see these as the end use, but behind it is all the hardware that needs to be built out for these various applications.